Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto prank. Let's play an open Sicilian, because I did say mega exciting. Let's try and stick with something which could be perceived as a mega exciting choice from the 1970s. This one, Queen F3 and Castle Queenside, whatever the result. Classic profile bullet. 1 minute is 13:34. 3 minutes 17:77. He's been up to 2401 in April 2017. Should I be worried? It's classic. Okay, I've gone into a razor sharp position. Okay, so 94's friend. I'm trying to draw arrows there. Now, if I play Bishop H5, what happens? I wonder if I should just take on F6. Okay. Try Castle Queenside or something. He1 E5. E5 here. If he takes and takes that, I've got Bishop E5, right? I've got E6. Maybe this is fun with E6 here. No, he can take. Can he? Because there's knight D7 protecting his queen. I think I'm going to be in big trouble if that's possible. Knight F7 protects the queen. I've already lost the pawn then, for not much. This is going to go down, isn't it? Is that Queen E2 threatening mate aces castles? Is that Bishop B5 with the idea of knight C6 after? Wow. Can I try this for knight C6 for Queen D8?
Check.
Oh, he just plays check and then castles. This doesn't work either, unfortunately. Oh. Okay, can I take that?
Check.
No, it's on this. Can I play knight C6? He's always got the check. No, he hasn't got a check. He's got a check on G5 now. There's knight F3 here. Hang on. Knight F3 stops the checks. Stops the check on G5. Gives me a moment with his king in the center. And is that any significance with the king in the center here? Well, there's knight D5 now. What's happening here? Queen D6. Isn't there rook E1 there? Can I do this with the idea of rook E1 and knight E7 check? Well, this is much better than I'd hoped for, I'm going to say. When I see someone with a... Okay, anyway, no. Okay, let's see. Queen d3 for rook e6. How can I get to his pressure points here? Not knight b6, just takes with the knight. Queen f6, Queen f4, there's rook c8. But maybe there's Queen d6 after that. There's bishop f8. Knight f6, or rook e6 there. Queen f4, Queen d6, rook e6, that's interesting. So Queen f4, rook c8, Queen d6, bishop f8, rook e6. Can I go like that? So I'm threatening, I think he could just castle here. Does he just castle here? Oh dear, didn't get anything from that. Yes. Now I suspect it's over. My fun is over anyway. Oh boy. Yeah, okay. It's gone now. Okay, let's have a quick look anyway. What was beneath the surface? Because I didn't understand myself what my point was now. If he just took, yeah, because I think this doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Queen d6. Actually, that's defense. No, it's not that there's a check, right? Oh, that is a good point. I had a mating point, yeah, there, but he has Queen d6. So he gave me what seems to be a good position then.
Check.
Apparently it's not. Unless I play knight takes e7. Yes, that is taking something by force. Oh, of course. Knight takes e7. Ah! So the king is literally, exploited in the centre immediately. Bit too slow. Yeah, he's just better. So the key point here, king in the centre example. In this particular example, knight takes e7. So we'll look at this again. Yeah, and then taking, okay. Now, if you took the king, there's a check here.
Check.
Rook takes e5. Oh, this is interesting. Wow.
Check.
So actually, can we say it's not just king and set, it's loose rook on h8? Yeah, potentially loose rooks. Okay, well the one on h8 we're taking out. Wow, knight, that requires some calculation. Knight takes e7, but it is the way. So there was a way to do something. It looked like a gorgeous position. And if his king just went back,
check.
That's good for white. Okay, if he goes here for any mate, well, whatever. Yeah, I'm okay here. Okay, all right. Thanks. Comments, questions, appreciate it. Thanks so much.